We were trying to bring manufacturing back to the United States from specifically Asia. And there's been $260 billion allotted to the CHIPS Act. So we're very excited to work with Senator Kelly's office because he has been very instrumental in helping get that bill passed. So what's happening is in Arizona, we have such tech coming in here like TSMC. Intel has increased the foundry services during COVID. And we are also have a program called ASICs that we want to help mitigate the supply chain issues. So basically these are application-specific ICs, and in order to produce that custom product for somebody, we're going to utilize foundry, which will increase capacity at the foundries here in the US, hopefully here in Arizona specifically. Then we have a substrate design as well, which right now in the industry, substrates are about a year out. Sometimes you don't get into the minutia of the supply chain and raw materials, but substrates, without that, there's nothing to build on. And so we will be bringing in substrate design into our facility. Plus we will have assembly, which is very slim right now. There's a couple great assemblers in the Bay Area and one over in Southern Cal, but it's very small quantities, not a lot of capacity, and really targeted to the mil aerospace, so we need to expand on that. And then our wheelhouse is totally test, right? So we have a lot of testers right now, but we are at capacity because the industry, as they're building, still need tests. So we will be bringing test here to Arizona, very high end, to support the Intels of the world, both at wafer level and package level, hopefully TSMC as well, but basically we'll be focusing on our A&D customers.